So for maintenance of your microetcher, first make sure that your microetcher has been detached from the chair. You have a spanner given with the microetcher. The smaller tip of the spanner is to remove the front tip of the microetcher. Usually this is the only part that gets blocked if you have some amount of water that comes in. So make sure you open this anti-clockwise. Once you turn it, you will be able to hold it and rotate the front part out. Once this is out, you can take the needle that is provided and you can use the needle to clean the tip. The needle should go through and through. The needle goes through and through. Once you feel that is clean, you can always place it back. Again, you can place it back, and to secure it, use the spanner, because this needs to be attached very nicely or very securely. So you take the spanner and tighten. Once it is tightened, this is now ready. Now with usage, it may happen that this pipe develops a leakage or it may have air loss. So for that, you do not need to change the entire microetcher. You will just need to change the pipe, and the larger part of the spanner can be used to remove the pipe from behind. As you can see, it's a normal pipe that you would get with your dental chair. So you can just detach the pipe. You can detach the pipe from here and you can reattach a new pipe. So you do not need to buy an entire new microetcher. Now apart from these two things, you will have to clean your powder chamber. So make sure that you unscrew the powder chamber, remove the powder, empty it in a new box. Please do not put it in the same box, and then you use the brush that is provided to clean any powder residue from here. Once that is done, once you have taken this off outside, you will place it back and run free air one last time. When you run free air, you make sure that all the powder that got entrapped or all the powder that was blocked has been cleaned.